Hello guys, in this video we'll see right outer join as part of SQL joins. So let's get started. So I'll just open the pointer. Okay, so what is the right outer join? So it's straight opposite to the left outer join. So in left outer join we have seen that the left table was a main table and any matching rows from the right were taken. Okay, in right outer join it's straight away opposite. The right table will be taken as main table and any matching rows from the left will be included. So for example, there is a table A and table B. Once you perform a right outer join, what it will do, it will take the table B as the main table. So the right table will be taken as main table. All of its records will be displayed. Any matching rows of table B when compared with table A, that means it will compare all the individual single records of table B with table A and it will pull out and it will display along with table B. If there are no matching rows, it will straight away display null for table A, but it will display all the records of table B. This is how a right outer join works. So we'll see it more clear in the example. So this is the syntax, guys. So it's the straight opposite. Only thing is left should be replaced with right when like left outer join. Okay, so this right is the only change in the keyword and other things are the same. You need to select the columns, you need to select from table A and table B. So here also the same thing, whatever table comes after the from statement is a left table and whatever comes after the right outer join is a right table. Okay, so since it's a right outer join, table B will be the main table, table A is the comparison table. Okay, and it will be compared on any of the single unique column or multiple unique columns. You can do it. Okay, so for this example we have supplier A and supplier B, so the same tables which we took for left outer join. So here we have used right outer join and we have displayed the same fields which we were displaying in the left outer join. So here also the comparison is on product ID. So let's see how it works. So let's select the tables first so that we can see what are the values. So these are the same values which we had previously inserted. Okay, so table B contains 7 records, table A contains 8 records. Okay, so let us run the select statement of right outer join. Okay, so now if you guys can see, now the records are 7 records only. Okay, so it has taken all the records from supplier B table, whereas supplier A table is having null records. These first two columns are supplier A table. Okay, and next two columns are supplier B table. So it has taken all the records of supplier B table and it has only taken the matching rows of supplier A table. So to make it more easier to look, okay, I'll just cut these two fields and paste it here so that it looks little bit better, because it will little bit look odd when you have null columns in the starting first column itself. Okay, so this also is possible. Select you can do however way you want. Okay, but the condition you should not change it. Okay, if you change this supplier A with this place, and then this will supplier A will become the main table. So be sure whatever you give from the in the from statement. Okay, and in the after the right outer join statement, same applies to the left outer join. And one more thing is, you don't have to mention this outer keyword. So even in left outer join or right outer join, the outer keyword is not mandatory. Okay, if you want I can remove and show. Okay, now let us remove and show. So now see, the records have come this side, only thing, but the null remains same. Okay, so these records are pertaining to supplier B table. Okay, and these records are pertaining to supplier A table, wherein the matching rows alone have been populated here. So let us cross check with the actual table results. So I will select all the plain tables of supplier A and B and then with the join statement. Okay, so now if you can see, the number of records in supplier B table is 7. The same 7 records have been displayed here. Okay, but it has compared all the record with the supplier A table, this is supplier A, this is supplier B table. So it has compared every record and it has pulled out whatever is matching. See here, orange is matching, so it has pulled out. Pineapple is matching, it has come. Grapes is not there in supplier A table. If you can see this, grapes is only there in supplier B. So grapes is pulled out from the supplier B, but no matching rows, so returned as null. Similarly, kiwi is not there in supplier A, but it's there with supplier B, so it has pulled out as null. So this is how, guys, you can use the right outer join. So left outer join and right outer join both are similar, only thing is the place where you use differs. Okay, that's the only thing which matters here. That's all, guys, the for right outer join. So just stay tuned for the next join video. Next would be a full outer join. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, just press like and click subscribe for more videos. Thank you.